Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to do a very quick unboxing of the 4 perfumes I bought recently. Just gonna tell my first impressions as I go along. Hope it'll be interesting for you to see. I've got something exciting here, some new perfumes to sample. Let's get into them. First up, it's Lanvin, Éclat d'Arpège. Not sure how to get into this. I've read so much about this perfume, it's such a classic, so I was really looking forward to trying it, but I can't get into it. Let it slide. Bear with me. I got this really tiny 30 ml. It's such a nice bottle. Let's just have a little smell. Very sweet. Interesting. Reminds me of something. Reminds me of some of the Anna Sui perfumes for sure. But I know this one came out ages ago, and it's got this iconic Lanvin logo on it, which is mother and daughter. It's a really nice perfume actually. I'm really glad I got this. Second one is Perfumes de Lalique. I've read about it a lot and I just wanted to try it for myself. Again, I didn't go for a big bottle because it's just a blind buy. First impression, quite sharp, very wintry. First I'm getting the sharpness. It's almost like cranberries with sugar. You get the sugar afterwards, and you can just imagine these cranberries with snow in them or something like that. I don't know. That's what it smells to me just now for the first try. All of these perfumes I got were blind buy. So this is a super popular one, and I just couldn't wait to get my hands on one. Spray it first in the air and then on me. Probably sprayed it a bit too close to the skin. Let's just let it settle. Wow. I was gonna say, when I just sprayed it in the air, it smelled a little bit like sun protection, but on the skin, oh my god, there's so much to it. There's so much depth. It's a really complex perfume. It smells almost like niche. I'm still letting this develop a little bit more on me. I'm really intrigued how it's gonna suit me. It's on a heavier side than I normally like. I got it extremely cheap, by the way. It was actually Black Friday. I only got round to opening this parcel now because I didn't have time to do it before. You know what? This is a really intriguing perfume for the price. It smells really expensive. It smells like niche. And last in my blind buy haul is another Lanvin. It's Modern Princess. The only reason I bought this is because one of my best friends, who now lives in a different country, says that she's wearing this perfume. And that's the only reason I got it, because I wanted to smell what she smells like right now. Because when she was here, she used to have another Lanvin, Marry Me. it's such a sour sweetness to it. I've ran out of wrists. I'll spray it somewhere here. Oh, brilliant. So nice. Oh my god, I love it. So my 4 new buys are Lanvin Modern Princess, Pearls de Lalique, Lanvin, the arpège one. I forgot the full name. Such a cool bottle. And Jill Sander's Sun. Amazing perfume.